This year, nothing is gearing up to leave a significant impact on the competitive smartphone market with the much-anticipated release of its Phone 3 series. Among the most exciting aspects of this launch is the Nothing Phone 3, which is rumored to be powered by the high-performance Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset. Early benchmark tests have already demonstrated its impressive processing capabilities, achieving a remarkable single-core score of 1,149 and a multi-core score of 2,813. To further enhance the user experience, the device will come pre-installed with the latest Android 15 operating system, seamlessly integrated with Nothing OS 3 for a smoother, more efficient performance. While the standard Nothing Phone 3 is expected to offer an outstanding blend of performance and affordability, tech enthusiasts are particularly eager for the potential arrival of a higher-end variant, the Nothing Phone 3 Plus. Industry insiders speculate that this premium model could be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8S Elite chipset, significantly boosting its capabilities. If these speculations turn out to be accurate, the Nothing Phone 3 Plus could emerge as a strong contender in the flagship segment, delivering top-tier features and performance at a price that remains more accessible compared to other high-end smartphones on the market. The upcoming Nothing Phone 3 is rumored to incorporate a cutting-edge action button, drawing inspiration from Apple's intuitive design approach. Strategically placed for effortless one-handed operation, this button is anticipated to offer a range of versatile functions. It could serve as a rapid access shortcut for the camera, a customizable interface for executing user-defined commands, or even provide dynamic usability improvements that adapt to different applications and user preferences. In terms of photography, the Nothing Phone 3 is speculated to feature an advanced dual-camera system, potentially integrating high-end imaging technology such as Sony's Lydia sensor or the powerful 50-megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor. With the inclusion of phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization, users can expect sharp, clear, and steady shots even in low light or fast-moving scenarios. Additionally, the device is likely to offer a range of storage configurations starting from 128 GB and extending up to a spacious 512 GB, ensuring ample space for high-resolution photos, videos, and apps. The highly recognizable transparent back design is making a much-anticipated return, this time featuring an enhanced glyph interface that offers even greater customization for LED notifications. Users will have more control over how their phone communicates visually, making the experience more personalized than ever before. In addition to design improvements, significant hardware upgrades are anticipated across all aspects of the device. The Nothing Phone 3 series is expected to be powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering top-tier performance, whether paired with 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM. This combination will ensure seamless multitasking, efficient power management, and an overall smooth user experience. Furthermore, the battery capacity is rumored to receive a major upgrade, potentially reaching 5,000 mAh, which would allow for extended usage without frequent recharging. Complementing this larger battery, improved fast charging technology is expected to minimize downtime, enabling users to power up their devices more quickly. Display sizes will also see refinements, with the Nothing Phone 3 reportedly featuring a 6.5-inch screen, while the higher-end Phone 3 Plus may boast an even larger 6.7-inch display for an immersive viewing experience. Adding to the excitement, a recently leaked internal email from Carl Pei, the visionary CEO of Nothing, has revealed intriguing insights into the company's roadmap for 2025, including crucial details about the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3. The email, titled 2025, Nothing's Year of Innovation, sheds light on the company's ambitious strategy for the year ahead. It confirms that the Nothing Phone 3 is set for an earlier-than-expected launch, with a release window now anticipated for March 2025. This early debut positions the device as a groundbreaking product that could redefine Nothing's standing in the smartphone industry. Pei's message suggests that the Nothing Phone 3 will serve as a pivotal moment for the brand, solidifying its reputation for bold design choices, cutting-edge technology, and user-centric innovation. Nothing has recently shared a teaser on X showcasing a pixelated image of the Pokemon Arcanine, which aligns with the brand's ongoing tradition of assigning Pokemon-themed internal code names to its products. Although the teaser does not explicitly confirm which product is being teased, industry speculation strongly suggests that it could be a smartphone, most likely the Nothing Phone 3 or its potential variant, the Phone 3A. The company has already made an official announcement regarding the launch of the Nothing Phone 3, and an internal email that was recently leaked from CEO Carl Pei has hinted at the possibility of another smartphone release later this year, which could could very well be the rumored Nothing Phone 3A. Based on the historical release timeline of Nothing's previous smartphone models, it is highly likely that the flagship Nothing Phone 3 will hit the market first, followed by the secondary variant. Regarding pricing expectations, industry insiders predict that the base model of the Nothing Phone 3 will be priced at approximately $499, making it a competitive option in the mid-range smartphone segment. Meanwhile, a more premium Plus variant is rumored to come with additional features and an upgraded design, potentially carrying a price tag of around $699. Which features of the upcoming Nothing Phone 3 series are you most eager to see? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest news, leaks, and announcements.